What? Oh, you think? Come here. What'd you do? I'm parked. I'm home. I'm parked. The keys, I got my keys. They're not even in the ignition. I'm not driving anymore. I had to go to Walmart to get stuff because I have to bake cookies for the neighbors. And I'm baking cookies for the neighbors because we have awesome neighbors, and she knows where to get Pib Extra, which is my all-time favorite. And she gave me 2 packs. So, I'm gonna make cookies. I better get in. Capone's probably freaking out, so let's go inside. Let's look. Let's see if he greets us. Oh, there's the baby. What you doing? Did you see me pull up? Is that what happened? Yeah? You go potty? You do? Come on. Let's go inside. Come on. I'll let you out in a second. Okay, okay. What? What? Oh my gosh. Wait, let me take all my stuff out. I'm gonna take my phone out. Okay. Okay, what? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Cute babies. Cute babies. I know, cute baby. Yes, I know. You're such a good boy. Okay. Okay. Calm down. You calm? Belly rubs? Oh, yeah, belly rubs. Belly rubs are your favorite. I know. Okay. Okay, calm down. Stay. Good boy. That's not good boy. Thank you. Okay. Sit. Belly rubs. Okay, belly rubs. More belly rubs. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm going to start baking the cookies for the neighbors, also for us. And these are the ingredients I'm using. So flour, sugar, 2 eggs, vanilla, butter, baking soda, salt, light brown sugar, and semi-sweet. cookies are done. Uh-oh. Ooh, might have baked them a little too long on this batch. But it's all good. Ow! Burned myself.
Alright, so we got this crazy looking thing that keeps coming around the house. So just wanted to see if we could capture it on film. A rare occurrence right here. Oh, do you see it? It's running away. It's running away. Yeah, see, he's confused too. It's like a big old jungle cat out there.
There you are! What you doing? You grazing? Think you're a cow?
And on that note, we'll see everybody tomorrow.
Bye.
See ya.